Me as a woman out, so after 4 I go up to 5. In the rain, I work. In the rain, see it there? You think I lie, look at people. In the rain, look how my hand them dirty. Me not like some other boy, cause no man, no a man too. Uno a stringy, uno a common mango. What uno get to no good, nice, clean, pretty, nice, clean youth them. And all a come out and no mouth. Nothing and go on for me not eat for 3-4 days. But yet still uno can go at every party. Even though a COVID time, uno can go everywhere. But for you no youth, I look at 3 grand or I look at 5 grand. Nothing and go on for you no. And things soon go on. Uno sit down and talk about uno wait for a career. Uno wait for a career to take off. And we the woman for do what we can do. But I'm telling you something, boy. Some man of a dead. And that me I telling you so me there. Look, in a forest, me and God alone out here so. I could have do like enough young girl. They are bar sit down. They're somewhere sitting down and having a nice time. But because me is a single mother, and my kids them come look for me, you know, and me go look for them. So at the end of the day, me have to set it for them. Me have to try set it for them. I can't do like some girl. Get them pick me and let them go. I can't do that. It's my responsibility to make sure now that my sons and my daughter have a proper roof over them head, a food in the house, them clothes clean, and them get a good education. But yet still some man boy, all people can hear out and a big stinking dirty ganja mouth. Nothing now, go on in a be. Me not eat for 3 days in a be and the things will take off. Just watch where I go on. Hey, mama tell some man something, you know. Some man of ride the hard we a court house, you know. Because it don't easy for we the woman. If you do 4, 5, 6 things, meanwhile, uno sit down and even uno not make money, uno not look after you, but yet still, uno can give another man pitney thing. I have to big up Roy Plummer, Ralston, big up yourself. Wayne in New York, large up yourself, and big up the whole of Baby Lee, real fans. Them not talk, they look a fear.